Welcome back to Myth Machines. On today's episode, we're out here in the front. We'll be working on the panel today. Some coolant leaks so we gotta fix. And they're not too bad. It's just the front freeze plugs that are leaking. They're not too bad to get to. It's gotta take off pretty much all the front. But with our setup, it isn't too bad. I'm gonna show you what we gotta do. So we gotta take off this bracket here, our tensioner, so we get to our right back in there. You can see it where it's leaking, which isn't too bad. Just gotta take off the belt. Take off 5 bolts on this one, only 3 bolts on this one, and they come right off. And then we'll pull out the freeze plugs. So you got one there, same spot on the other side, and get some new, get them out, clean them up, get some new ones in. All the other ones look okay from what I can see so far, so I'm only worried about the fronts. Let's get to it. Alright, so you see the freeze plug there. It's got paint on top of it, but it's scrape off the paint. So we gotta pull that out and get the new one in. Don't bring the dead lizard inside, no. Sorry, little buddy. Quick, easy little thing. It's all flush all the way around. Got our new one installed, ready to move on to the other one. So I'll put the side bracket back on, get it all bolted down again, and then move on to the other side. Alright, this side should be a little bit easier. I don't have the coolant hose in the way. Well, let's get this bracket off and put it out. Alright, to take it out, not too bad. I just find the edge of it, like a chisel and a hammer. There we go. Alright, gonna use my little towel siphon here for a second. Let's get some of that coolant water out of there. So once that's drained down a little bit, so I get to it, I'm going to use sandpaper, clean up the edges of the inside of the hole, and then get ready to put the new one in. That, I'm going to clean it out with some sandpaper. That's all done. Now we get our new plug. Alright, so I put a nice little thin layer of gasket sealer all the way around it. Now we can take our plug, set it in there, and get it all nice and straight and cozy. Been using a sock on the side of it, just tap it in. And you just want to be flush with the rest of it. So I get it pretty much all the way near close. And I take something bigger. In this case I don't have a bushing installer, I have a bigger socket. The flat bottom here that goes all the way around it. Yep, make sure it's nice and flush, and there you are. There's your new freeze plugs in. That's all you got to do, and just put the rest of it back together, fill up everything with coolant and water, and then you run it and make sure no more leaks. Alright, that train's gone. So here's the old plug. See, it's quite crusty on the back. It's all pitted out. Has a real thin spot right here, which by the looks of it has a little eaten out hole right there. If I can get it on the camera. Yeah, see right there, that's where it was leaking at, little pinhole. I can see the other one there on the other side there. So that's where it was leaking. They didn't seem too bad when I had the engine out, so that's why I didn't replace them, but should have replaced them anyways, especially since the second kit I got for it was already had them in there. Shit happens, and I'm sure the other ones are going to be going to here pretty soon, so eventually I'll do all those too. But just to get it up and running right now so I could use it and go to the car show this Sunday. Cars and Coffee over over by my area, Antioch, Brentwood area. So we're good. Just put my serpentine belt back on. I'm gonna top her off with full coolant and water from what little we lost, because it was already pretty well leaked out. And I'll be back what's up. See you in a few. Alright, so I got everything all put back together. See our new freeze plugs in there. All shiny looking. Everything's all filled up again and topped off. Can't really see that one. So that was doing the two freeze plugs in the front. Twin supercharged 350 here, which I should have done when I built the engine, but I didn't. Plugs look new and they don't look like they need to be changed out, but should have done it when I had it out. I didn't, so now I had to do it now. Put water, everything back in, and we're all done. So thank you for watching, and as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you always be so kind to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you again for watching. And the worst thing about working under this tree is it has this sticky sap shit. That is terrible. Just terrible.